Lars Young.
all right, what's going on, everybody? I am Lars Young, too fresh out the box. Lars Young kicks of the day, and today I have a special video for y'all coming from coming right here from Los Angeles. You know what I'm saying? So we got a package coming from Los Angeles, and this right here is from Wicked Cushions, y'all. Wicked Cushions, at Wicked Cushions on IG. Man, breathing new life into your beloved headphones, y'all. So I'm about to go ahead and open this up. Wicked Cushions. So this right here is for my Beats by Dre's. I got the 2.0 wireless, and before I even pull these out, I want to pull out my Beats. Okay. So I told y'all just a minute ago that I really get it in. You know what I'm saying? So I work out all the time. I'm always running drills, doing different things like that, and these are my go-tos. The Beats are my go-tos. So as you can see, these Beat Studios, these 2.0s are beat. Look at that. I mean, it's embarrassing to even show y'all this, but I gotta do it just for the sake of this product that I got mailed. Alright, so this right here, this product is a definite money saver, because right here, as you can see, these things are total. Like, these were so messed up that I had to buy another pair of Beats. Okay, and we all know how much them Beats Studios cost. I don't even gotta say the price, because everybody know how much Beats Studio wireless costs, 2.0s, right? And these right here are on their way out right now. So they already starting to crack and come apart on the cushions already on the black pair. So the silver pair, these is just total. These is done. These is toast. But the sound is still great, you know what I'm saying? So which means instead of like throwing them away or having to buy another pair, that's where Wicked Cushion comes in at. So with Wicked Cushions, they supply you with the actual cushions, you know, to put over, to replace them. Just replacement cushions, pretty much is what it is. So now I get to open this up and see what we got here from Wicked Cushions. So already right here, so we got nice little Ziploc bags, which is real cool. Let's see, this is another letter. No, it's not a letter. I thought it was another letter. So we got right here the Wicked Cushions, and I still don't know what's in them. So it's still a surprise. I don't know exactly which print I got. So this is the Wicked Cushions. Shout out to Wicked Cushions, y'all. Check them out on IG, Wicked Cushions, and you gotta check them out. When you go to the IG, they have the link in their IG at Wicked Cushions. You know, you can go there, you can get 30% off, 30% off from your Wicked Cushions when you go to IG. So just go ahead and check them out, and let me go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. So this right here is, whoa, be careful, got a bunch of stuff in here. So this right here, this is a floral. So we have floral cushions. So that's perfect right here, because these floral cushions are gonna go on these silver ones right here. I think that's gonna be a good match. We're gonna put these floral cushions on the silver ones for my wife, so she'll be able to get some brand new cushions on these right here, and I'll bring the life back thanks to Wicked Cushions. So that's the floral ones. And then we have we got like a digital camo pair, or red camo. So we got the red camos, look pretty dope, and that's what I'm gonna put on these. I'm gonna put the red camos on these black ones right here. So put the red camos on a triple black. I think that'll be dope. And then I'll put the florals on the gray. So man, shout out to Wicked Cushions, you know what I'm saying, for saving me a whole bunch of money for not having to buy 2 more pairs of Beats by Dre. So thank you so much, y'all. Go over to Wicked Cushions, at Wicked Cushions on IG. Check them out. And you can also check them out on Facebook too. I saw Facebook. Yep, Wicked Cushions. Facebook, Wicked Cushions also. Man, check them out, y'all. They breathing new life into your beloved headphones. You gotta love them. Thank you so much. and sending me these, because as you can see, I really needed them. So thank you so much. Thank y'all so much for these. And I don't know if I'm gonna do an actual video installing them, because it's an actual process. Like, you got to take these off. It's not easy taking them off. It's not easy with the whole process. You know, it takes time to actually do the process and do it right, so the cushions stay on and things like that. So I may do a video, like a time-lapse video or something, but right now I just wanted to show you guys the product and show you guys where to go to get your own Wicked cushions, so you can breathe new life back into your headphones, you know, that need life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For Nayo, and I'm out.
Lars Young.